So with all the things that are taking place, how did your lives begin to change as a result? Start with you, Shabazz.
Immensely. I mean, for me, everything changed. I was completely a different person. I know that at the time when my family rejected my experience, Jesus gave almost every one of them dreams. And one by one, they all accepted Christ. Because Jesus, even my sister had a dream where Jesus told her, specifically naming me, said, if you don't follow me like Shabazz, your brother follows me, you're not going to be with me in paradise. And one by one, my older brother, Shaheen, my sister, everybody, eventually everyone, including my parents, all became believers.
Now, I noticed this is actually fairly common in the Middle East. People have dreams. They end up becoming Bible-believing Christians. Why do you think this happens a lot?
One of the reasons why this is so significant over there is that dreams are looked upon as a spiritual means of communication. They believe that heaven speaks to you through dreams. So dreams are not dealt with with a slight. They're actually taken very seriously. And God understands that, and obviously. And the people know that they can depend on that. One more a significant event that's taking place right now as we speak in Iran, the country that I come from, is that Iranians are responding to the gospel in numbers unimaginable. Iran is converting to Christianity at a rate of almost 20% annually. I mean, the same cannot be spoken for the United States. The growth for Christianity in the United States is right now 0.04%. So Iranians are responding to the gospel, to the message of Jesus in ways unimaginable. In fact, one expert said Iran is the first Islamic nation that we can actually say is post-Islamic. 60% of Iranians do not claim Islam as their religion anymore. Oh. The other 40%, only 2% are practicing Muslims. 38% do not practice Islam. There is a religious awakening that's happening in Iran, and their ambiguity is absolutely the opportunity for God to be able to do something major in Iran, and it's happening.